But I wonder what this video is gonna be about, you know. The whole ordealio. You already know the lifestyle, the the regular routine around here now. So anyways, so I actually got the part for the shifter. It's actually kind of funny because gold would go, because you already know, go baby. But let's see how, actually let's see if this is actually M12 by 1.5, because I think last video I said, oh no, I'm gonna get my 30s messed up again, because I'm pretty sure you saw me correct myself in the last video. So I don't know what this is, but let's just install this thing because I'm sick of my ravioli shift knob, bro. Alright, so you already know my ravioli, ravioli shift knob, baby. It flew to my seat, so you don't have to worry. But this is the real problem solver. Oh, would you look at that? M12 by 1.5. I think I have to kind of tap it a little bit, I don't know. But let me see if I should just kind of, I don't know. I'm gonna just work my way around it and just keep kind of cleaning up the threads with these new fresh threads. So yeah, and then I put this on. I'm assuming you tie these together, and this is my little shift knob. I don't know what y'all thinking, but this is a shift knob that I put on, and it was not gonna wiggle like this little ravioli boy. So yeah, time lapse. No more ravioli, baby. But I'm pretty sure you guys saw me struggling. I was trying to get the logo to sit like straight back like that, so that you can, that driver side can see it and passenger side. But I don't think I'll have a passenger side because I don't have a harness still or seatbelts. But dang, look at that, dude. Just look at that. Just make sure it's in neutral. Okay, so but look at that. Oh shit, well, I don't have clutch in, but still, this thing is just like butter. Now it doesn't have that ravioli, but dude, this thing gives it a little bit of an off interior. Like, it's a little off because it's gold, but you know, it doesn't look that bad. It looks pretty bussin'. Better than that, well, Mazda things. But this white one didn't look bad, but it just didn't stay on, bro. Like, I don't know how did this dude drove with this thing on, but yeah. So let's move on to the next one. Actually, let me clean up real quick. All right, now that I got a little bit more space, let me show you guys what the next thing I got. So it's actually behind this wrapper. These are the JDM side clear markers, not the ones for the front, but the ones that go right here and right there. So I mean, I kind of like the red in this. If the fronts were red, I'd probably keep them, but I kind of want to put them clear, so it kind of goes with the white, contrast the white a little bit more. So I got these little things. I got these at oh, don't worry about that. Oh, whoops, just knocked everything over. Oh shoot, knocked everything over. But they are used, and then this one does have a slight crack. I don't know if you guys can see that. Unless you can't see that, pretty bussin'. I don't think you guys had to know about that. Maybe I shouldn't have mentioned it, but I already did. So I want to put these on and see how much of a difference these make. Like, because these are the looks with the red. Can't really tell until I go up close with it. I'm saying for the front, you can kind of see they're pretty yellow. Like on the front, you can see they're clear, but it's just this one that's like yellow. So let's put these on real quick, yeah. And See if I really like them, to be honest. I don't even know. I don't even know how to take them off either. Oh, stop playing with me. That low key looks kind of good. Low key. That looks kind of good. Like, let me see if I can fake it for y'all real quick. Like, if I grab this, all right, and you pretend that's right there, and then boom. Low key, I'm kind of digging that, actually. I'm actually digging that a lot. Like, it's actually not that bad. Oh my gosh, if that fell. Like with this side. Hey, y'all need to stop playing with me and tell me that don't look good. Oh my goodness. I don't think you guys realize, but at night this will make a huge difference. Well, I'm not talking huge, but still it's gonna make a difference. Like, yo, come on, stop playing with me. Y'all know that clear look good. Like, damn, just busting. Like, if you need to pretend that's right there, then what the heck?
Stop it. Get some help.
Oof. That JDM clears. Not a lot of people I've seen have this because they either delete it or they just have the stock yellow ones or red ones. But oh my goodness, let's do that. I want to hurry up and do the front. So actually, I'll probably do is might take out the car and flip it around for you guys, so you guys can catch me in doing it in 4K. Wow, I don't even know what I said, but this is what I'm working with on the front. These pop out a lot because it's just straight white and yellow compared to the back, which is how you can see. Actually, well, you can't see it from far because of the sun, but from the front, it's just straight white and yellow. Like, tell me that doesn't, well, it looks alright. But I just want to match the front because these are white. Oh, I'm gonna take these off and actually kind of try to clear them, but these, yeah, these gotta go. I do feel bad taking these red ones out because, dude, these things are actually really clean. Like, look how glossy that is. I think the previous owner put brand new ones on, but unfortunate, but I like the clears better. So let's do the yellow one. Alright, so I don't know if the video caught that, but I definitely did panic. So these lenses, right? When I bought these lenses, it came like this. I don't know if you guys saw, but it came like this, no housing. I was like, okay, that's when I started panicking because I took this off. Well, actually, I already told it off, but and basically, yeah. So basically, yeah. So grab these, pry this off. It's a bummer because these are brand new, but it is what it is. And apparently what you're supposed to do is grab a Dremel, kind of trim these all the way down, and then they're held on by super glue. So you grab super glue and just put this on. I need to drill these holes a little bit bigger because it won't fit straight on top. Like, it won't fit straight over top. So yeah, it's a little more work than I anticipated, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna do that and then do the same to the other side. And let's see if this is worth it. If I do mess these up, I'm not super worried because these ones, this one already has a crack. Oh, you can kind of see it. So the rears don't, but the front do. So if I have to get new front ones, I don't mind, but I'd like to see how this works out because I've never done this. when I start breaking this off, this thing is actually really flexible. Like, look at this. I think I break it right there, but yeah, time to have some fun. Good news and bad news. The good news is on. See that? It's pretty seated. But as you can tell, the bad news is it's cracked. So yeah, after all that Dremel, actually I Dremeled it really good. Actually, it's pretty smooth. But yeah, yeah. I don't know, like the JDM ones, I guess they have different housings. I wish it came with the housing, but it didn't. So I had to drill these holes to be oversized to fit. Like you can tell for this one. Oh, this one looks good, right? Oh, well, that's unfortunate. Like you can see that these holes, they line up, but they don't fit on exact, because I need to be able to press this down. Oh, not like that though. Press this, you know. Oh shoot, I don't know if I'm aiming at it. Press it down so where I can have the super glue be right here and it contacts this, but you know, your boy chamoy. Wait, that's a sauce. I found out chamoy was a sauce. But yeah, I mean, it sucks, but I didn't pay stupid much for these, but you know, it does suck because it did say Japan. But one of them was actually, the crazy thing is, this one is like a good one and it cracked, but this one is actually never mind. I was gonna say this part was cracked, but that's why it cut like in a weird angle, or it broke off in a weird angle, because it was actually, this one's already cracked. So I'm not super bummed because the rears are the perfect ones. Like these ones were uncracked and perfect, but actually, yeah, well, yeah. And there's the front that are yeah, the front were luck was not on my side. So I don't have the yellow ones, nor do I have the clear ones. So there's just gonna be a, I feel like I shouldn't have done that. I might have to. Oh wow, I actually have fender well? That's crazy. Well, it's gonna be like this for a little bit. this one's gonna have to, there's overspray on that. Gonna go in there. And yeah. So, let me get this cleaned up and then let's reevaluate the situation. And for those of you wondering, these are the ones from the rear. And I'm pretty sure it's illegal to have the red ones. Actually, yeah, because they're supposed to be yellow. But even if I were to, well, I should probably aim it better. It won't fit because here, I'll show you real quick. It looks like it fits, right? But this side, I have it all the way in the corner. And this one protrudes just a little past. So these were made for the rear, only fit for the rears, unfortunately. So